Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover financial aid eligibility with FAFSA, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your financial aid eligibility with FAFSA, start by reviewing the eligibility criteria. Identify the reason you lost your financial aid eligibility. Common reasons include not meeting satisfactory academic progress, or SAP. Next, gather all necessary documents related to your financial situation. Check your last FAFSA application to ensure all details were accurate. Reach out to your financial aid office to discuss your specific situation. Ask for details about the appeal process if your eligibility was lost due to academic performance. Prepare a written appeal explaining why you believe your eligibility should be restored. In your appeal, include any extenuating circumstances that affected your academic performance. Attach supporting documents to your appeal, such as medical records or personal statements. Submit your appeal to your financial aid office in accordance with their deadlines. While waiting for a decision, consider improving your academic performance for future evaluation. You may be required to create an academic plan in coordination with your academic advisor. Once you receive a decision, review the outcome carefully. If your appeal is approved, ensure you complete your next FAFSA application on time. If denied, you have the option to discuss further steps with your financial aid office. Remember, staying proactive and informed can help you regain your eligibility. Continue to monitor your academic progress to maintain your financial aid status in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.